guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this boho Aruba vacation room for my doll. And if you want to see how I created it and what I used and give you little tips, just keep on watching. Okay, so we start off doing our vacation hotel room by getting the floor. The floor and the wall are usually the same height. I go down the foam board, which the foam board measures. The measurement is usually 30 by 20. So I cut off 7 inches from the 20-inch side of the foam board, and I cut that whole strip off, which will make it look like this. And then I end up using this for like sections to section off the different parts of like the rooms and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some marble contact paper that I got from Target right here, and I'm gonna cover the floor with some contact paper. I have the marble contact paper down for the floor part. Now we're gonna get our wall part, which is the same measurement. For the actual balcony and the room, I'm doing 20 inches across for the room, so I drew a line right here, and then I'm gonna do 10 inches for the balcony because I want to have kind of like a sitting area and a bit of space to take photographs. And then there's going to be a divider in between, so that's why I marked it right there. So I'm going to decorate this the way I want it to be, and then I'm going to decorate the patio part how I want it to be. Alright, so I covered the 10-inch part of the whole 30-inch board in the wood grain paper, and then I covered 20 inches in this brown paper that's going to be the wallpaper for the room, and then this is going to be for the balcony. So now I'm just going to go ahead and decorate the room with some flowers. If you want to see how I decorate it with like plants, flowers, and moss, I will link a video down below of how I did my boho room, so you guys can see how I glue flowers to the wall. I decorated the wall with some flowers, and then I glued the side panels to both sides, and now I'm going to glue all the sides to the marble floor. So it's the next day. A couple of things. I added this headboard, which is just a piece of foam board, and I covered it with the same wood grain I used for our balcony scene. And this bed is from an old diorama, so I just added that in there. If you guys want to see an in-depth video of me making a doll bed, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a dedicated video. But yeah, so now I have a piece to go right here because we do need a view once we put our balcony. So the view I have, I printed out this view of Aruba from Walgreens, and I got like a little sand part where it's like an island, and then I have this part where it's just the ocean. I think it's so beautiful, and I just cut it to where it like flowed with each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and then once I glue this down, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the corner right here. So let's go ahead and pretty much I just made some furniture for this space. I put up my picture of the balcony so you see it from there. It looks like a balcony. I have put this hanging chair. I got this octagon like box from Michael's for $1, and I just put a cushion in there. I made the cushion out of a dish sponge, a clean one, and then I wrapped it in fabric and I tucked it in, and I just made some pillows and wrapped it around, and I glued foam boards to the back to hold the pillows and make it a chair, and then I'm holding it up by this rod, and then there's a background there too. Then we have the balcony that has some flowers. This is a table that I have for my living room in the house. And then this is the bedroom. I just added the stuff I already had. I made these 4 pillows. If you guys see my other tutorials, you'll see how I make the no-sew pillows, because I don't know how to sew. And I think it looks good. And this is a plant that I've already had, and I just hung some plants up in the corner. And this is a table I got from Amazon. So yeah, and then I made this blanket, which I do it the same way I do my no-sew pillows. I just hot glue the sides and stuff it with fluff, and then just seal it. And then I do the corners down. I took the corners down, and then I hot glue the corners. And then I put a candle there, and this is a mirror from a LOL surprise packaging. And yeah, I think it just came out very beautiful. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.